Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm going to review these cases from Supcase, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S20 Ultra. I want to give a shout out to Supcase for actually sending these cases to me for review. They sent me out their Unicorn Beetle style case. The Unicorn Beetle, not the Uni. And then they also sent me out their big boy case, the Unicorn Beetle Pro. This will protect your device from drops and falls. And they sent it to me in black. They also sent me out different colors of each phone. The style case, bam, they sent me out on those colors. And then also the Unicorn Beetle Pro, you can get it in purple and blue. So in this video, I'm going to just see how it fits, see if it's a snug fit or not, make sure everything lines up, and how easy it is to get, on and off. But also if you can wireless charge or not. I'm going to start with the little one, the style first. I'm going to put the Pro and save that for last. But let's see what you get in the box. Nice little presentation from Supcase. Again, bam, plain and simple. If you want to pause the video, you can definitely do that too. This one is the black one. And then they say, thanks for your support, Supcase. Now it does have little plastic things on here, but they make it a little bit easier because they give you a little tab to pull. The great thing about this case is going to show off your beauty of the phone. Alright, so here's the case itself. Bam. The cutouts look good at the bottom, and then also the microphone. Nothing on this side, on the left side, on the right side. Flat and flush. So as you can tell there, you can see a little bit of the grip it has. If my camera would focus on it. Right there, the power button, it has a little grip on it. You do have a little Supcase brand in there too. But let's see how this fits. Actually fit pretty snug. Now, do you get any lip action? Yeah, you get some. I wouldn't slam my phone down, but you do get some lip action. You also do get some camera hump. Not too much, though. But you do get some. And it shows off the beauty of your phone. Look at that. The cutouts line up perfect. Also at the top. Now the power button is easy to find because it is ridged. And the volume rockers, nice and easy to press too. So overall the buttons feel great too. Now I don't think you will have a problem having wireless charge on here, but I'm going to try it out for video purposes. As you can tell, you can wireless charge with it. Can you do power sharing? Again, I don't think you will have a problem. But let's find out. Maybe. There you go. As you can tell, I'm wireless charging my Pixel. Now you can pick up these cases from Amazon. Let me bring up this case really quick. Alright, so here's the case on Amazon. This one is $12.99. They only have the black color available. But what y'all think about that one? Bam. It says thin and lightweight. I'm going to move on to the big boy. But overall, this case looks great. I mean, it shows off the beauty. One last thing. It fits pretty snug too. Man, look at that. Alright, so let me get the big boy out and see how that one fits. Alright, so here's the big boy. Same packaging. Does have some details on it. If you want to pause the video, you can definitely do so. Or when you get your own case. Yes, this has the little clip for your belt. It is a two-piece case, but let's put the box on the side. All right, so remove this too. It tells you instructions on how to install it. Bam, but we don't need instructions, do we? You do want to take it off where it says to. So right here, you just peel that back, maybe. If you have fingernails, it's definitely easier if you have fingernails. Also, before I show you how it fits, let me bring it up on Amazon. Bam, it is $19. You can get it in black and purple. I don't know where the blue one is. The blue one might show up later on. But it's $19 for this heavy duty case. Want to pause the video, you can definitely pause it and read each one. But let's get this started. Alright, so I was able to get the case apart. It didn't take long at all to really remove that. Once you have some fingernails, it's easy to remove. It does have a kickstand too, which we will test out in a little bit. But you can see some branding there. You have this grip on the sides to hold the phone better. Supcase branding there too. You can see the volume rockers here and then the power button. Power button is a little ridged. So you have the kickstand there. This case is made for somebody doing construction, somebody that drops their phone a lot. This case will really protect their beautiful phone. Bam, the belt clip. Let's go see how this case actually fits. Let's make sure that we line it up right. And you can take this off. I'm going to clear out everything. Now, they say to start at the bottom, which I'm going to do. And you can just work it around. Man, that actually fit really snug. It does not include the screen protector because they want to work with the fingerprint scanner. Do you get lip action? Yes, you don't have to worry about it. Camera hump too. I mean, that thing, you're not going to scratch up your beautiful camera hump or the display. I mean, look at that. It is a beast of a case too. Again, it will protect your phone. Look at the kickstand. Nice and snug. So, bam, you can lay it down, watch some Forbes tech reviews. Does the buttons work? Yes, they do. The volume rockers feel great. I don't want to take a photo of myself. As you can tell, the volume rockers feel really good too. The cutout at the top lines up. The cutouts at the bottom. Yes, you do have the flap for the USB Type-C charging port. What y'all think? I kind of like this case. Will it wireless charge? Let's find out. Yes, with my charger, it definitely wireless charge. Alright, so will it power share? Let's find out. And yes, it will power share with your phone. Now, I know one thing it wouldn't do is power share with a case on the phone you're trying to charge. So if I had a case on my Pixel, no, it's not going to power share with a case on it. It's just way too much case. So if you want to pick up this one, the Unicorn Beetle Pro, I will have the link to the description, or the style case, which one ever fits you the best. Again, I will have the links in the description. This case is for protection, making sure you, when you drop your phone, you don't want to damage it. This one is more for looks, but it will still protect your phone too. But this is the heavy duty one. Again, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more coverage on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Make sure you also follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.